Start the recording as well. Okay, I just want to give a small introduction about myself. My name is Ram Boyapati. I have nearly 13 plus years of work experience in IT industry. In these 13 plus years of experience, I've been working for SQL Server, MS Stack, and data analysis, Power BI, Snowflake, and Fabric. These are all the technologies we have worked over here. And also, I have very good experience on this Azure Data Engineering as well. So nearly I have 7 plus years of IT trainings and placement experience I have. I was started in 2016 this eclasses.com. So eclasses website you can able to see, and also you can see our office premises. We are located in Hyderabad Amirpet, and you can reach out our office as well anytime. So this is our infrastructure, our office located in Hyderabad location. Okay, and so e-classes is offering training and placements assistance. Both we are offering for the students who are looking on this IT trainings and placements. And our office located in Amirpet, Hyderabad. For every student, making more comfortable while they are learning the trainings, we have created a free LMS login as well. So what is this free LMS login? Many institutions, they are taking the classes in the GoToMeeting or Zoom, and they are going to upload the videos into Google Drive, and they are going to give access to you. It will take a lot of time. But for our students, for every student, we are giving a free LMS portal access. Free LMS portal access, and also we are providing free mobile app as well. For every student, whoever is going to join our training, we are providing the LMS portal access, and also we are providing a mobile app for easily accessing of the daily class recording videos. And through this LMS portal or the mobile app, you can join the live classes and daily class recordings and daily class notes, and you can able to conduct the free tests and free courses as well. Okay, so these are all the things we can able to conduct it over here. So if you want to log into this LMS portal, simply goes to our website, eClasses website, and inside this eClasses website, you can able to see there is a LMS login. Simply click on this LMS login, and it will ask organization code. You can provide SUFKN is my organization code over here, and you can give your mobile number. You can register. So once you are logged inside, you will get some free courses also available. And also, what is the advantage with our LMS portal if you're joining the course in my e-classes training institution? Whenever you are going to practicing of the sessions, like after the class completion, ideally in other institutions the trainers are not available. So again, you need to wait until the next day. Uh, in the session only you can ask the questions. But we are providing a chat support over here. You can able to chat with me personally through our mobile app or LMS portal after the session when you are going to practicing of the classes. If you have any doubts and clarifications, you can chat with me and you can personally discuss with me as well. And also we are going to create group chat as well for you with your students, your batchmates. You guys can able to discuss about the course as well. Okay, so these are all the opportunities we have inside our LMS portal. And also we are going to have some sample resumes also will be uploaded, and we are going to provide some certification guidance as well. Certification guidance also we are going to provide on the course whichever you are going to select it over here. If you see many institutions, in that institution the trainer is different and the owner is different, management is different. But in this e classes, I'm the managing director and I'm the trainer. I'm always available to the students to answer their questions about their career gaps, and there is career counseling as well. Okay, so if you want to download our e-classes mobile app also, you can able to download in Android. Go to the App Store, type e-classes. If you want to download in the iOS, you can type My Institute. So this is how you can able to download the mobile apps, and you can able to log into the web as well by going to this e-classes. Let me share this e-classes website link. Simply click on the LMS login, and there you can able to provide organization code as a SUFCAN. If anybody interested, it's a free of cost. Just log into that one. I'm sharing the details. Sorry, organization code is SUFKN, and then you can give a your registered mobile number over there. Perfect. Right. Now, coming to here, the people who are going to learn this Azure Data Engineering course, the minimum qualification, what I have observed is graduation or any post graduation student is eligible to learn the Azure Data Engineering course. And as per my experience, what I have observed, the people, there are four different category and four different kind of background people are trying to learn this Azure Data Engineering course. You just cross verify you are under which category. Let's take one example. If a candidate is passed out in 2015, it might be 2010 also, or it might be 2019 also, 2013, 2017, 2018, 2020 also. So a person whoever passed out in 2010 in between 2023. So if the person is passed out in between these 2 years and immediately he got a IT job as a fresher, okay, in a campus placement or off campus, whatever it is. So now he gained some experience so far from last 9 years or 10 years or 2 years or 3 years. He got some experience on a different technology. Let's take Java. Now, because of the demand in the market to the data engineering role, he wants to learn Azure Data Engineering course. Obviously, this person, when he is going to learn this Azure Data Engineering course, after completion of this course, he is going to mention and he is going to apply for the jobs like a 2 to 5 years of experience jobs over here. Am I right or wrong? He is going to apply for the jobs 2 to 5 years of experience because this guy already having some IT experience. He was joined as a fresher in IT. He worked for a technology. Now he want to upskill to the Azure Data Engineering. Definitely is going to apply for a experienced positions only. Second category, this guy also passed out long back in between the 2010 to 2023 passed out. He is a non-IT guy. Unfortunately, he didn't get the IT job, so he joined as a non-IT like a recruiter, HR, civil, mechanical, Google Maps, accountant, faculty. There are so many non-IT jobs are there. So these people gained some some experience on the non-IT, but now they want to move to Azure Data Engineering. They want to upskill their knowledge. They want to upskill their knowledge into Azure Data Engineering. They have 2 to 5 years of experience. Definitely, they are going to apply for the job. So the moment when a people coming from non-IT to IT, coming from non-IT to IT, then those people are going to having 2 to 5 years of experience as a Azure Data Engineering. So let's take they have 9 years of non-IT experience. When they're going to apply for the jobs, in their resume they will mention from last 2 to 5 years they have Azure Data Engineering experience. Okay, this is the second category. These people are non-IT to IT. These people are IT to IT only. Third category, these people does not have any experience. They completed their graduation in between 2010 to 2023. They passed out in between 2010 to 2023. They don't have any experience because they were not working. So they were preparing for government jobs, groups, banks, business. They have some career gaps. So for whatever the career gap they have, now they want to learn Azure Data Engineering course and they want to apply for the jobs like a 2 to 5 years of experience only. So these three type of category people definitely they want to apply for the job like a experienced only. Apart from that, there are like fourth category they passed out 2023-24 trained fresher jobs and they are going to apply for a fresher jobs over here. Got it? So these are all the things we have. These are all the things we have in four different kind of categories. Can you guys please tell me you belongs to which category? Category 1 or category 2, category 3, category 4? Can you tell me the number? You guys belongs to which category? I just want to verify. Yeah, someone Kumar has belongs to category 1. That means he's a IT guy. Now we want to upskill. Jyoti category 2. Prasanna category 2. What about other people? Definitely you belongs to any of one category. So someone belongs to third category, second category. Okay, so mostly the people are looking for a experienced positions only. Correct? So after you are completing of this course, we are going to apply for the jobs like a 2 to 5 years of industry experience. All right. So that is the reason what our training is going to be focused on the that much experience level only. If you're just giving like a basic theoretical knowledge, you may not crack the interviews. You may not work on the real times. So our primary focus is a person who has already experienced like a 2 to 5 years of industry experience. That level we are going to provide. Okay, Azure Data Engineering. This course, ideally our course fees is 20,000, but we are offering for only 14,999 only. This course is going to be, we are providing a offer for 14,999 only. The actual course fees is 20,000, and also, this course duration is 50 to 60 hours total duration. This is going to be daily 1 hour, Monday to Friday. So every day we are going to conduct the live sessions, and also we are providing the class recording videos. Once class completed, every day class recording videos will be saved automatically in our LMS portal only. And also daily class notes we are going to share it over here. After class also, for the doubts clarification, we have a chat option. And also we are going to conduct some weekly tests as well. Some sample resumes also we are going to provide to you. And also we are going to provide a certification guidance. After completion of this course, definitely you are in a position to complete the Microsoft certification, that is DP203 exam. This is a global certification offered by Microsoft. And also we are providing from our end course completion certificate as well. And also we are going to provide some interview question and answer, end to end project also we are going to offer for everyone over here. So this is what we are going to offer for every student as a part of this Azure Data Engineering course. If we see the course content, what we are going to cover inside this Azure Data Engineering course, we are going to start with the basics of the cloud, because Azure Data Engineering is a cloud based course. So, first you need to understand what is a cloud. We are going to explain very clearly about the cloud introduction and Azure fundamentals we are going to discuss, and Azure Data Engineering license creation, how to create a free license, and then after we are going to starting off the what is Azure storage account, blob storage, data lake gen 2, Azure SQL database, Azure Synapse Analytics, Azure Data Factory, Databricks, live streaming analytics. As a part of this Azure Databricks, we are going to teach you completely on the PySpark. Okay, so those are the commands, not the programming. We are going to teach you completely PySpark from basic to advanced, around nearly 20 hours of the sessions we are going to focus on the PySpark only. So these are the actual data engineering course content we are going to cover. As a data engineer, 90% you have to learn these things only. Apart from that, these are very common for everyone. And apart from this Azure Data Engineering course, we have some other activities like a admin related things and DevOps related things, and some Power BI reports also we are going to discuss in these sessions, like logic apps, Azure keywords, Azure events hubs, Azure administration, Azure DevOps, and how to design a Power BI reports. These are all the things we are going to discuss as a part of the Azure Data Engineering course. You just cross verify with every institution, are they going to cover this many services in the training or not. Okay, and also we are going to make every session is going to be a practical session only. There is no theoretical sessions. Everything we are going to make it hands on practical only. Okay, right. So if you observe here, we need to understand first what is a Azure Data Engineer over here. Before understanding of the Azure Data Engineering, in any cloud environment, there are three cloud environments available currently in the market. What are those three cloud environments available in the market? One is about the, there are three major cloud environments available. One is about Azure, another one is about the AWS, another one is about the GCP. Google Cloud. These are the three players in the market currently. Microsoft, Microsoft, Azure, and the next one is about the Amazon, AWS. Third one is about the Google, GCP. Google, GCP. These are the three cloud vendors currently in the market over here. Then after, if you are going to learn any course inside this Microsoft Azure or AWS or GCP, there are four common courses available. One is about the developer course, data engineer course, and the next one is about the admin course, DevOps course. So you need to verify which course you want to learn. The first course is developer course, developer. The next one is data engineer, data engineer. The next one is admin course, admin course. The fourth one is the DevOps course. Whenever you are going to inquire for a courses, you can see these are all the courses you can able to see. For example, if you go to the Microsoft Azure, Azure, Azure developer, Azure data engineer, Azure admin, Azure DevOps engineer. In this Microsoft Azure, we have four different courses offered. Similarly, when you are coming to Amazon AWS, Amazon AWS, AWS developer, okay, AWS data engineer, AWS admin, AWS DevOps engineer, okay. Then similarly, Google GCP, Google developer, GCP data engineer, GCP admin, and GCP DevOps engineer. Any cloud you can go, there are four different kind of courses offered. So we were going to decide to learn this Microsoft Azure over here. Inside the Microsoft Azure, which one you want to learn? Azure developer or data engineer or admin or DevOps? Let's try to understand first each one what they are doing. Developer what he will do, data engineer what he will do, okay? Developer what he will do, data engineer what he will do, and admin what he will do, DevOps engineer what he will do. So if you see, let's take one use case scenario. I have a supermarkets. I'm running supermarkets in US and India. In every supermarket, you can see there are some billing counters. Counter 1, counter 2, counter 3. In every billing counter, there are some billing applications. This is a supermarket in India. This is another supermarket in USA. I'm the customer. I will goes to supermarket. Definitely when I'm going to buy the product, there is a billing counter. I will goes to the billing counter. I will do a transaction. Whenever the transaction is happening, the data will be coming and storing in the backend over here. All right. So this is how it will come over here. The transactions will come over here. So the person, a developer, what he will do, he is going to develop the application. Which application? The billing software application. You can see in the supermarket, in the billing counter, there is a billing software is there. Who will develop this billing software? The developer is going to be the billing developer. A developer is going to developing of the application. Mostly these people are going to develop the web applications. Web application development. Mostly these people having the background of Java, .NET, okay. Java, .NET, these kind of things they are going to have the background. Those kind of background people are going to learn developer job. Now coming to the data engineer. What the data engineer will do? Data engineer is going to completely focusing on the whatever the business transactions data is coming over here. So this is a business data is coming over here, right? Business data. And also your business data is coming over here. In this backend database servers, we are storing of the business data. So as a data engineer, my role is whatever the data stored inside this business server, this business data server, that data we need to keep into one centralized data warehousing. How can you do? You have to do some ETL process over here. You have to do the ETL process over here. What do you mean by ETL? ETL stands for extraction, extracting the data, transforming the data, and loading of the data into one centralized location. We are calling it as a data warehousing. Data warehousing. This is also one kind of a data storage system. By using some ETL pipelines, we are going to move the complete business data from this server into one particular place. So where we are going to do this entire activities inside the Microsoft Azure cloud, we have some storages for storing of the data. We have some ETL tools for doing the ETL process over here. Okay. So as a data engineer, what is your role is a data engineer is going to completely processing means is going to design a ETL pipelines, processing and designing of the ETL pipelines, ETL pipelines, processing and designing of the ETL pipelines to store the business data in one centralized repository. In one centralized repository, we are going to storing of this data. So you need to build a pipelines. A data engineer is going to designing of the pipelines to process the data from different servers into one particular server. So as a data engineer, your primary focus here creating the ETL pipelines, storing the data. Then finally, whatever the reporting tool we are going to use, we are going to design some reports and dashboards. What is the sales happening so far, like year over year, current year sales versus previous year, what is the sales kind of charts we are going to develop over here. Then the business owner is going to understanding about his business performance. To design the reports and dashboards, we are going to use a tool, Power BI tool. Okay, Power BI tool. So for this Power BI tool, we are going to use this data warehousing. This data we are going to take it from here, and we are designing the reports and dashboards. So in this training, I'm going to focus on little bit of Power BI as well. Okay, now we understand what a data engineer is doing. A data engineer is going to using of these ETL tools, data factory, Databricks, live streaming analytics. By using these tools, he will develop a pipelines, ETL pipelines, processing the data, and that data can be stored in this any of one storage. These two services used to store the data in terms of a files. These two services we are using to store your data in a database, tables like that. Now coming to the other two job roles. One is about a admin DevOps. Admin is completely taking care of the providing security, access, these kind of things. DevOps engineer is completely focusing on the deployment of the project, maintenance of the project, creating the infrastructure, these kind of things. So mostly admin DevOps both will be done by one person only. There is a lot of expectation. And also these two are going to be automated in future. So there is no job in future also. If there is any job in future also, there is no possibility to do a automation is data engineer, because artificial intelligence tools are making everything automation. Even for this artificial intelligence tools also need some data. So who will provide the data for those things? Data engineer. So data engineer is always having a good demand. So as a part of this admin and DevOps also, I'm going to cover some administrative related activities and some DevOps concepts also I'm going to cover, and I'm going to cover the Power BI as well. Okay. So Azure Data Engineer, by using the Azure cloud environment, whatever the services available inside, we are developing a data engineering project. If you go inside the Azure cloud environment, this is the portal you need to log in, https portal.azure.com. Inside they are offering so many services over here. You can see all the services. What do you mean by service? Each service you can consider as a one software. Already all the softwares they have installed in their data centers. Simply you are logging to this portal.azure.com and you are going to accessing the services, whatever you want over here. Okay, whatever the services you want, you can able to use it over here. Okay, so this is how we can able to do the things over here. This is how we can able to do the things, all the services whatever is required here. Okay, now coming to here, what the data engineer is doing. Data engineer is going to developing of the ETL pipelines. What purpose? The ETL pipelines are going to be extracting and transforming and cleaning of the data located in different servers and load into one centralized location. So Microsoft company offering some software services through a web browser to implement your project. What is that web browser? This is our web browser, portal.azure.com. Inside we can see there are so many services. You need to use those services. It is almost offering 200 plus services. You can see these are all the 200 plus services. Are we going to use all the services? Are you going to learn all the services in this training? No. Our focus is only on the data engineering related services only. Okay, data engineering related services only we are going to focus. Remaining services who will learn? The remaining services will be a developer or a admin or a DevOps engineer, whoever, according to your job role, whichever you want to learn, whichever you want to work, you have to choose that one only. All right, perfect. So generally when you are coming to the data side, there are three different kind of jobs available in the currently in the market. One is about a data engineer, data analyst. What is a data engineer? Data engineer is this person whoever is going to build the ETL pipelines, storing of the data in one centralized location. He is called a data engineer. Who is a data analyst? The person whoever is going to designing up the reports and dashboards by using Power BI tools. He is called a data analyst. Okay, so data scientist means he is going to do more advanced machine learning kind of things, but our focus is primarily on the data engineering and little bit of the data analyst in this course. Okay, to learn this course, do we have any prerequisites for this course? There is no prerequisites, but my suggestion would be, if you have some basic SQL and Python knowledge, if you have, then it's well and good. Anyhow, I'm going to give a little bit of basic Python in the Azure Data Engineering course as well. So I wanted to brush up some basic SQL. If anybody wants to learn thoroughly SQL and Python, if anybody wants to learn SQL and Python thoroughly, then we are going to offer 20 hours SQL server classes just for 499 rupees and 25 hours Python classes related to the data engineering and data analyst, 699 rupees only. So either you can take a recording class videos or you can take live sessions also you can able to join. So these things you can complete by end of the Azure Data Engineering course completion. We are frequently starting off these batches for SQL and Python every weekly or every 2 weeks. Okay, this is all technically what you need to learn inside this course. Perfect. So you can get a question, sir, if I am completing this course as per your content, am I in a position to get the job? Are you going to give any job guarantee? Are you going to give any job assistance? Definitely, out of 100, few people only are able to crack the interviews, are able to work in the real time. The reason because when you are going to apply like a experienced jobs, you are going to apply for a experienced job. So few people are expecting, sir, we need a job assistance. We need a job assistance. So how you are going to provide job assistance for us through your institution, right? I'm going to making whoever looking for job assistance, there is a program 2. What is the specialty of this program 2? In this program 2, we are going to start after 2 weeks of the training. Wow, well, after 2 weeks of your training starts, this placement assistance program will be start. This is again we are going to make it a 30 hours duration program. This is going to be again 30 hours duration program we are going to conduct, but this is only on the weekends only, Saturday and Sunday. So what exactly we are going to cover inside this program over here? Inside this program, our main focus is, let me open. So inside this program, what exactly we are going to cover is Saturday 2 hours, Sunday 2 hours. So we had some scenario based things. We had some scenario based things. Apart from the training, what we are covering, we have prepared a agile methodology in a sprint model. You can see I have prepared some sprints over here. In this sprints, sprint 1, sprint 2, sprint 3, almost 175 tasks we have prepared. Some scenario based tasks we have prepared. So what I am expecting from every student, we are going to make like every student has to complete all the scenario based tasks, whatever 175 tasks we have, one by one, one by one, one by one. So every Saturday we are going to connect with every student whoever enrolled for this program 2. Program 2, we are going to discuss on the Saturday, the first 1 hour Saturday. These sessions are going to be start in the morning 8 a.m. or something every weekend. 1 hour we are spending for this sprint wise, how many tasks you have completed, what are the tasks you are not able to do, then we are going to explain those tasks how to do. That is for 1 hour. So because of this you will get a clear picture, more confidence on the task wise. Okay, so each sprint wise 1 hour every Saturday we are going to spend, what tasks are pending, what task you need to do. Next 1 hour we are completely focusing on the interview preparation model. Okay, the 1 hour we are going to spend discussion of the interview preparation in real time. In interview, what kind of scenario based questions they will ask, how you need to answer to that questions, how to tell the self introduction, how to explain about the project technically. As a experienced guy, 2 to 3 years of experience guy, what kind of questions they might ask, these kind of things we are going to discuss on the Saturday second hour. So with this, you will gain a good knowledge on the interview point of view. Next, Sunday, we are going to start project, end to end projects in detail, how to do the hands on. You have to work on that 1 hour. Then the next second hour, we are going to conduct the mock interviews. These mock interviews are going to be like make more confidence when you are going to join the live interviews. Live interviews. Okay, so this is a program for the real time program. Separately we are conducting for the placement assistance. The person whoever is completing this second program also, 90 percentage there are high probability to get the jobs. And also we are going to prepare the resume preparation as well with the projects. We are helping them to put 3 to 4 projects in their resumes. That projects never repeat in any of the student or any of the company. We are keeping different projects for 3 to 4 projects. So we are making them 100 percentage ready for interview cracking. I'm not saying like I will give 100 percentage job. I can't give 100 percentage job because I don't have any companies to provide the jobs. I can make you 100 percentage ready for cracking the interviews like a experienced guy. That level of the training only I can able to provide for you. Okay, these are the program 2 key over here. Okay, right. So this is how we are conducting program 1, program 2, and program 1 and program 2. And generally if you see Azure Data Engineering, 3 to 5 years of experience guy, He's gaining 15 to 20 lakhs average package. 3 to 5 years experience range candidate, 15 to 20 lakhs. Very, very high demand in the market over here. I have written 3 books on Azure Data Engineering. One book is, you can goes to our website also. The book what I have written Power BI books as well. I'm sorry. Yeah, these are the books I have written and I published already. Yeah, these are the books I have written. And also recently launched one book, Interview Question Answer Top MNC, Top 20 MNCs. That book also I have released recently. See, always I am passionate about this course. Our e-classes is offering only data related courses only, and most of the time I am taking care of everything, and I'm always focusing on this writing of the books and making more knowledge to share with the students. So this is all about this course, and we are going to conduct 3 free sessions. You guys can join 3 free sessions, and you can use the same meeting link, and we are going to start our regular sessions from the Monday onwards only. And what time we are going to start everything, our team will share with all the details. Okay, just a second, I will put the charger. So total 3 free sessions we are going to conduct over here, and for fees discussion about the program one, the training program fee, and about our placement assistance program fee, everything, all the details you can reach out. Your point of contact is Ramya, and her number is 7997457228. So our regular class timings she will inform, or else if you guys are filled the form, one second, I'm sharing one link. The people who ever joined little bit late, can you guys please fill the form? If you fill this form, if you fill this form, then our team will reach out to you. If anybody wants to speak with me also, she will arrange a call with me as well to discuss about your profile as well. This training is focusing only on the Azure Data Engineering. So you are the SQL DBA experienced guy, data engineering is the correct opt for you, because in future there is no SQL DBA jobs. Okay, all of you who are joined this, can you please fill this form? Some people join little bit late, like Praveen, Shekhar, Ravi, and V Anand. Can you guys please fill the form? One link I shared in the chat. Now you guys can able to ask the questions. So let me allow to ask the questions. You can send a messages also. I will do answer to the questions.
So Ram, this is Praveen. Joined a little bit late.
Yeah.
So along with this data Azure training, right? So you're covering everything, right? Databricks and everything.
Yes.
Synapse.
Yes. We will share this recording video as well if you are joined late.
Sure.
Okay. Our team will share it.
Yeah,
Did you
I'll
fill the
go
form?
through. Yeah, I just filled it. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay, right. Thank you. All of you, please fill that form. You will receive the class recording video and course content, all the details, and when we are going to start the actual classes timings also. This is the same link you need to use. From Monday onwards, we are going to start the sessions. Okay. So every day the students will come to our office. You guys can sit over there. You can able to practice. and to help you we are available. And there are already experienced people who are already working placed also will be there. You can communicate with them, you can gain the knowledge as well.
Hey Ram, I have a question.
Yeah.
Do we have any comprehensive training, like covering all the modules like development, admin, and DevOps, along with the data engineering in Azure?
No, actually, because we are always focusing on the data side only. Data engineering course only our primary focus.
Okay, so do we have any trainings available in the other clouds as well, GCP and AWS, on the data part?
Yes, we do. We do AWS data engineering and we do GCP data engineering. But most of the enrollments, like we are focusing on the Azure data engineering only. Because you see, comparing to these two, the demand is on more on Azure data engineering only. And if you are learning
Right.
this Azure data engineering, mostly like around 60 percentage of you can able to do on the AWS and GCP also.
Okay.
I'm requesting one more time, all of you, please fill the form. You will receive this recording video, and you will receive course content, a regular timing class. From Monday onwards, we are going to start. Okay. All the course fees and everything. Please reach out this number on the screen. You can able to see. Please reach out this number. She will help you to answer all the questions whatever you have. Or else, if you are filling that form, she will call back to you. Okay. Any more questions from others, guys? No questions? Okay, then let's meet on Monday. Okay, so please discuss with our coordinator about your queries, further queries if you have anything. All right, thank you, guys.